Welcome, everyone. Today, we're delving into NerdWallet, a personal finance company that helps consumers make better financial decisions. NerdWallet provides an array of tools and advice to help you understand your options and make the best possible decisions. With clarity in mind, let's dive in to explore what NerdWallet truly offers. NerdWallet has a range of features that cater to various financial needs. It provides free credit score access, insights, and score simulator. It also offers tools for comparing and choosing credit cards, mortgages, insurance, and more. For those looking to invest, NerdWallet provides investment strategy advice and comparison of online brokers. Furthermore, it also offers a mobile app for financial tracking on the go. Now, let's talk about the pricing. One of the best things about NerdWallet is that it's free to use. Yes, you heard it right. You can access all of their tools and resources without spending a dime. NerdWallet makes money through partnerships with banks, lenders, and other financial services companies. When you use their services, NerdWallet may receive a commission, but this doesn't affect the advice or recommendations they provide. NerdWallet can be particularly useful in several instances. If you're looking to improve your credit score, their free credit score access and insights can be a great help. If you're deciding on a credit card, mortgage, or insurance, their comparison tools can guide you to the best choice. And if you're starting to invest, their investment advice can be beneficial. In short, NerdWallet is ideal for anyone looking to make informed financial decisions. There are many advantages to using NerdWallet. It's free, user-friendly, and offers a wealth of resources. It provides financial clarity and empowers users to make better decisions. The credit score access, comparison tools, and financial advice are all designed to help you get ahead financially. Plus, the mobile app allows you to manage your finances on the go. However, NerdWallet is not without its limitations. Since they partner with financial institutions, their recommendations may not cover all available options in the market. Also, while they provide financial advice, it's general in nature and may not suit everyone's unique situation. Lastly, their mobile app, while convenient, has received mixed reviews regarding functionality and user experience. Despite these limitations, NerdWallet is a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their financial health. It provides a wealth of resources and tools that can help you make better informed decisions about your money. The free access to these resources is a huge plus, and despite some limitations, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Key takeaways from our discussion today. NerdWallet is a free, user-friendly platform that offers a range of tools to help you make informed financial decisions. It's ideal for anyone looking to improve their financial health, whether through better credit, smarter investment, or informed insurance choices. Remember, while it has its limitations, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. In conclusion, NerdWallet is a powerful tool for personal finance management. With its wide range of features, user-friendly interface, and free access, it's a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial health. However, remember to consider your unique financial situation when using their tools and advice. Thank you for watching our analysis of NerdWallet. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We look forward to helping you make informed decisions about your personal finance journey. Stay tuned for more.